was like, oh, fuck.
Got a bad feeling?
Look at that big ass spider.
Where?
Right there.
I don't see no fucking...
It's gone now.
Let's do it.
Fuck, bro.
I can see everything. I don't got no stick.
I ain't got no fucking stick.
We'll find some ghosts. That's for sure. What's up? What'd you say?
That's how dog he gets, bro.
Oh, what'd you say?
What?
What'd you say though?
I don't even remember. Oh, how somebody was murdered back here?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. The murderer could be back here, seeing, make sure nobody's digging up the body. Can I hit that cigarette? Then I'll go. Bet.
We're already halfway down here. What the fuck you mean, cuz?
You recording or
A
what?
little bit further down the road.
You recording?
Yeah, bro, recording. We're gonna see if we catch something crazy. Some kind of voice, something. So I can put this shit out there. Just for the fucking shits and gigs.
I'm starting to get sick.
Why?
I don't know.
And this guy's he's starting to get sick, bro. We're not even halfway down the road.
Not even close to halfway. Oh, fuck, bro.
That's fucking crazy.
Fuck.
Damn, we should have started on the other side.
I know.
We fucked up.
Yeah, we did.
We did. We're coming to the ass end, the scary part. Fuck.
How long does that record for? Are you recording right now?
Yeah, a little bit. Oh. Fuck it, bro. Okay. We're just gonna, I don't know if I can flip this shit around. I don't think I can. But like, it's fucking pitch black. Like, yeah, shine a light, bro. Like, it's pitch black out here.
It's dark.
Like, holy shit, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Like, we don't even know if we want to continue going any further.
It's fucking dark, dog.
I'm getting really nervous, for sure.
Fuck, them dogs are gonna start barking, bro.
What the fuck's that noise? We'll be back.
Saturday.
You sure, bro?
Let's go, bro. Fuck it. I'm getting eaten up by mosquitoes.
Dude, I thought gates open the dog.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, shit, you can't tell? Dude, I don't want to go. I want to be quiet. Be really quiet. Okay, we made it past the dogs. Hopefully. The gate was open, bro. It's dark as fuck right here. I can't see in front of my goddamn face.
I don't want to turn the flashlight.
Don't turn it on yet. Oh my god.
I got my stick.
Bro. It's fucking... shit. Okay, so we like totally realized...
EMS or EMF?
EMF. We totally realized that we can't do the EMF detector while I'm recording, so we have to download the EMF on his phone.
Which one? This one? What?
Yeah, that one works. That's it.
What you got?
We're almost there. It's crazy. Alright. Entering the darkest part of this fucking road. And I am fucking nervous.
Tell them about people being murdered back there.
Yeah, there's been people, I guess, dumped in a well, right?
Yeah.
They got killed.
Little boy.
Little boy and
apparently the family. I don't know about the family, but I know the little boys too.
Bro, I'm so scared. Look how dark it is around that bend.
Alright, so hey, how do I work this? What I click to turn
Dude,
it on?
it's already on. You're good. Okay. I can't turn my camera around, so I wonder if it sees it.
Yeah.
It's already going off.
Do you see it in your camera?
Yeah, I see it.
Bro, there's a way for you to turn that around.
Not when it's recording. No, it's still recording me, bro. Alright, bet. Fuck it.
You still recording?
Yeah. Oh, let's go a little further down here. That's where it was happening.
Yeah, it was happening.
But
it started already to go off. It was going off.
It was already going off. It's spiking a little bit.
And that barn right there.
There's a barn right here or something.
And I think the well was over here somewhere in the woods.
Oh my god, bro. Did you hear that? 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 Oh my god.
It's a horse, I think.
Oh, that sounds like a dragon, bro. Shine light on the barn.
I think that was a horse.
Dude, I'm scared. There's the barn.
There's the barn.
You know, and where we heard shit was up here. I'm already hearing shit. I'm fucking nervous as fuck. Oh, I'm scared, bro.
Should we go all the way down?
Oh my god, bro. Yeah, we got to. I mean, bro.
Did you hear that?
Dude, yes.
Is there anyone here with us?